Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Chemistry by Praveen. So today we are going to discuss about the topic is called as a how to calculate the group and period of an element without using electronic configuration, just 10 seconds. For this you have to remember the some steps you have to remember. Of course you can call it as a tricks also. So first step or first trick is first remember these atomic number. These atomic numbers belongs to the noble gas. 2, 10, 18, 36, 54, 86, 118. So, second atomic number belongs to the first period, followed by the second period, third period, fourth period, fifth period, sixth period, seventh period. Just you have to remember. First trick is applicable for the atomic number is 57 or below 57. Below 57 or 57 only it is applicable. So, atomic number 27, atomic number 46, atomic number 55. I want the group and period of the following elements I want. So first what I have to do? So 27, let me do the 27. So what is the formula? Formula is the atomic number minus noble gas. You will get the some x number you will get. That is only the group number. First you get learn about the group number. So 27. So what is this? While counting here, while counting the group number, what we have to remember that the atomic number, if for example here atomic number is 27 is there. So 27, before the 27 noble gas atomic number we have to see. Before the 27 here. For example here 46, before the 46 noble gas atomic number. 55, before the 55 noble gas atomic number. Before only how to see. In case of the group, always remember group atomic number before atomic number noble gas. Atomic number before noble gas. Before noble gas. For example, in case of the period, if you want to calculate the period, atomic number after the atomic number noble gas electronic configuration. After the atomic number noble gas. Now you can see 27 is there. So 27, what is the before noble gas? 27 before noble gas 18 minus 18. Just subtract that noble gas atomic numbers, you will get the group number. 46, what is the before noble gas? 36. 55, what is the before noble gas? 54. So here you can get 9. Here you can get 10, here you can get 1. That means first group, 10th group, 9th group. What about the period? Now we can see in this case period. While counting the period, we have to see the after the given atomic number. So 27, after the 27, what will be the noble gas atomic number? 36 is there. 36 belongs to which period? Fourth period. So again you can see 46, given atomic number 46. After the 46, what is the noble gas? 54. 54 belongs to which period? Fifth period. 55 is there here. 55, after the 55, which noble gas is there? 86. So it belongs to sixth. Remember, while calculating the group number, whatever the atomic number they have given, before the noble gas atomic number we have to take. That you have to subtract, you will get the one value that belongs to the group number. But while calculating the period, whatever the atomic number they have given, after this atomic number, any element, a noble gas atomic number is there, that belongs to the period. This is equal. 58 to 71, 90 to 103. Second trick. So this belongs to lanthanide, this belongs to lanthanide. These both are belongs to the third group. They are belongs to third group. Both. So first row belongs to the sixth period. Second row is belongs to the seventh period. Just remember this thing. 58 to 71 belongs to sixth period. 90 to 103 belongs to the seventh period. Okay. Trick number 3. What about the 70 to 89? In between it is ending with 71. It is starting with 90. What about this before? Here also some trick is there. Here what we have to do is noble gas plus 14 plus N. Here it is the trick is there. So atomic number. Just apply this formula. Now we can see some example. Whatever the sums we are getting, noble gas plus 14 plus n should be equal to atomic number, given atomic number. So for example, the sums, for example this is the 20 atomic number, 20 for example atomic number, but I am getting the 27, I am getting, this is more than the atomic number, more than the given atomic number. If you get this value, that time you have to just neglect the 14, you have to neglect. Now you can see some example, usually we can identify. So atomic number 77, so atomic number 77, just to remember the again 2, 10, 18, 36, 54, 86, 180. So while calculating the group number, what we have to do, take the given atomic number before noble gas, 77. What is the 77 before noble gas? It is the 54. So 54 plus 14. So how much? 68. 54 plus 14 is equal to 68. So plus 9. Total this should be is equal to 77. 54, first we have written the noble gas, we have written, just 14 we have written, just we have to add this, we have to add. You have to add and subtract, you will get the one number, that is only group number. Here I am getting the 9, so it belongs to the 9th group, it belongs to. What about the period? While calculating the period, 77, after the 77 noble gas, after the 77 what is the noble gas? 86, nothing but it belongs to the 6th period. So 9th group, 6th period, it is belongs to the 9th group and 6th period. Example 82 I am taking. 82 I am taking. Next one I am taking exactly 89 I am taking. I want to. Whatever is the formula? Noble gas before the atomic number, noble gas. 82 before the atomic number. What is the atomic number? 54. 89. What is the before 89 noble gas? 86. Plus 14 plus 14 plus n plus n. This is our formula. So 15 plus 14 is equal to 68. 68. So you will get the 14 also. Here get 14. So here it belongs to the 14th group. It belongs to the 14th group. It belongs to the 14th group. Because just add this 2 and subtract from this, you will get the one number. Otherwise you can do like this also. Okay. Just you have to noble gas plus 14 add and subtract, you can get the 14th group. Now you can see in this case, given atomic number, whatever the period, after the 82 what will be there? 86. So it belongs to the 6th period. What about here 86? Given atomic number is 89, but if you are adding 86 plus 14, it is going to the more than the 89. In this case what will happen? Whatever the value is there here, it should be equal to atomic number. In this case, whatever the value you are getting here, it is the more than the 89. That time you should neglect the 14. You should neglect. That time you should not add the 14. Just n. So 86 plus is equal to 89. What will be the value of n? How much I have to add 86 to equal to 89? We have to add the 3. We have to add. So it belongs to the 3rd group. It belongs to. What about the period after the 86? It is the 118. 118 belongs to the 7th period. So now you can see the what about the 103, 104? That only also we can see. So I want to know the group and period number. 104, 107, 110, 112, 113. These all belongs to the last period, 7th period only. This belongs to 7th period. Whatever the group, just to take the last 2 digits. Last 2 digits nothing but the group only. 4th group, 7th group, 10th group, 13th group, 12th group. This. So by using these tricks, you can calculate the period and group number of the any elements. So thank you for watching.